Hi guys! So today is the 20th of May and it's also my cat's birthday. It's my male one. The male one turned 1 year old today while the female one turned 1 year old last month. So I plan to bake a cake. It's a pet friendly birthday cake and also do a mini cat's birthday party. Yeah, I'm crazy, right?